Hey guys, thank you for stopping by to tune in to yet another video with your girl Boss Lady. Tonight I have a very important update for you guys, and if you are having neck pain or back pain, please come back so I can help you help yourself. Okay, hello guys. Thank you guys for coming back, because I know y'all out there probably looking for different solutions for neck pain. Well, look, let me tell you something. I have a little item that I purchased from one of my Temu hauls, and I was supposed to come and update you guys. Well, tonight is the update, and I want you to get into your comfortable positions and get you some refreshments, because I want to give you some valuable information that will help you with your neck pain. But before I go any further, I want to let you guys know that I am not a doctor. I am not a chiropractor. I'm not a therapist. I'm not none of the such. I have no type of credential in back pain management and none of the such. Don't hold me liable to anything. What I'm about to show you guys is what I did and how I use the item and how it has helped me. Now I'm going to give you some information, and I sourced it from a health website that kind of like give you some information, a little bit more information than Temu gives, because I got the item from Temu. Get right into it, because this is very important and we got a lot to cover. But before I start, I need you guys to subscribe, and I really need you guys to share this, because I mean it helped me. I don't know if it's gonna help you, don't quote me now, but I'm just letting you know what it has done for me, and some information about it. So if you want to try it, you can always go on Temu and order the item, try it and see what it's going to do for you. Only when you go and ask your doctor if it's okay. I'm not telling you to go do anything. I'm not telling you to try this item. Disclaimer. I'm not giving you no medical diagnosis, none of the such. You're doing this at your own will if you go and purchase this item to try on yourself. There we go. That's the end of my disclaimer. We're going to get right into it. Okay. Now, the item that I'm about to show you guys, I purchased it from Temu, and it's called a neck stretcher traction device, inflatable massage pillow. It's like I call it a neck blood pressure cuff, because that's what it looked like, but only it's not a blood pressure cuff, guys. But it looks like this. It has a velvety material, like nylon type thing, and it looks like this. And it has the pump. It looks like a blood pressure cuff, doesn't it? I know it do. And you got your little pumper right here. You close it up, you release the air from here, and you hold it here, just like a regular, like a little regular cuff, blood pressure cuff. But it's not a blood pressure cuff. It's a neck stretcher. Now what we're gonna do is when I get to it, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to put it on and whatnot. But before I go into that section, I'm gonna let you know a little bit. I'm gonna read a little bit of information that I got from this this health website. And what is a cervical traction? Traction of the spine, known as cervical traction, is a popular treatment for neck pain and related injuries. Essentially, cervical traction pulls your head away from your neck to create expansion and eliminate compression. It's considered to be an alternative treatment for neck pain, helping people avoid the need for medication or surgeries. A lot of people doing these surgeries, honey. I know this worked for me, but I don't know if it's gonna work for you. But I'm just saying, it can be used as part of a physical therapy treatment or on your own at home. Cervical traction devices lightly stretch the neck to reduce pressure on the spine by pulling or separating the vertebrae. So you have to be very cautious, guys. Be very cautious, because you are dealing with your spine. You don't want to go and pull something out of place, honey. Yes, you need your spine. It's said to be both highly effective for fast acting. All right, So that's what a cervical traction is, and this is what this is. Now there's different types of cervical tractions, y'all. Now the three different types are, you have a manual cervical traction. Manual cervical traction is done by a physical therapist. While you're lying down, they'll gently pull your head away from your neck. It sounds painful, y'all. Whew, yeah. They'll hold this position for a period of time before releasing and repeating. Your physical therapist will make adjustments to your exact positioning in order to get the best results, guys. Okay, now that's the manual cervical traction. The mechanical cervical traction is done by a physical therapist. Also, is a harness. A harness is attached to your head and neck as you're lying flat on your back. The harness hooks up to a machine or a system of weights that apply traction force to pull your head away from your neck and spine, guys. That sounds crucial. So yeah, your girl not gonna be doing them too. So we also have what you call this thing here, over the door. Well, no, it's not. It's not. Over the door cervical traction is for home use. You attach your head and neck to a harness, which I would not do. And don't recommend y'all do it either. This is connected to a rope that's part of a weighted pulley system that goes over the door. This can be done while sitting, leaning back, or lying down. Y'all, I don't recommend those. Not that one. Okay, now we have a posture well, we also have this one. We have this is the neck stretcher. This is basically a sling. They call it a sling, and basically all you're doing is putting it around your neck, and you have these little Velcro strips right here, y'all. And I would recommend this first before, well, then again, I'm not a doctor. I don't recommend nothing. I take that back. Sorry. For me, I tried this. You know, I mean, go to your therapist, honey. Go to your doctor. Go get your pulley, your neck pulled, and your back stretched or whatever by your therapist, honey. But this is what I sought out on Temu for my neck pain. Because you know, when we watch when we on our phone, you know, we got drop neck, and our neck be down so much, and then the, you know, it's kind of pulling that muscle back there, y'all. So, you know, I call it Tendonitis for me. I call it Tendonitis. So, but you know, you call it what you want to call it. But yeah, when your neck gets to paining, or you just have pain in your neck and your back, y'all, you put that on there and you Velcro that, and then you get your little pumper. And you get to pumping it up. And it's going to begin to inflate, y'all. Close this up. Put this there. There we go. All right. Now, to do these exercises, because it's considered an exercise, there are several exercises that can be done using cervical traction devices. Make sure to listen to your body and go to your own edge or threshold in terms of stretching and the duration of your exercises. To use an air neck traction device, because this is with the air. It's with the air, y'all. Place it around your neck and adjust the straps as I did. Then you pump it up and wear it for about 20 to 30 minutes, y'all. This is how long you can wear this thing. But this is how long I can wear this thing. Well, I'll wear it. Do this a few times throughout the day. You can wear the device while doing activities where you tend to slouch. You know, when you're doing stuff and you're slouching, whatever, you can, it'll help with that. Okay, to use an over-the-door neck, well, we're not going to talk about that one because no. So I'm not going to tell you how to do that exercise because boss lady ain't doing no hanging my neck from no dough. So I'm showing you about this here, this neck traction, air neck traction device. So I gave you what you needed to do. It's 20 to 30 minutes. If you're going to use this, it's 20 to 30 minutes, but I'll need you guys to understand one thing. When you pumping this thing up, you know, you only go a certain amount. So we're going to go ahead on and we're going to pump it up for demonstration purposes, y'all. Y'all can see, y'all see the air is going into the sling, and we're gonna pump it up. And as I'm pumping this up, guys, it's like pushing up my head. It's pushing up my head and it's pulling down my shoulders. That's the effect it has. It pushes the head up and it pulls the kind of like press the shoulders down to kind of like lift your head from your neck, you know, a little bit. I know it sounds crazy, but that's what it does, you know. So you have to be very careful. If you have had a neck injury or whatever, you know, I don't suggest you try this or whatever. I mean, please, because you're dealing with your spine, people, talk to your doctor before you go out and run and get you one of these neck pumps and you don't know what you're doing. Boss lady done tried this, and I know how far to go because I want to continue to walk. So I'm just telling you, be cautious as to how much pressure you apply on this thing. Now, as you can see, is as I go, I'm feeling a pulling. I'm feeling a pulling sensation at the back of my neck. And basically, that's the effect this thing has. Also, if you are prone to anxiety, if you don't like nothing tight around your neck or choking, it's like not a choking effect, but if you don't like tight stuff around your neck and you get anxiety, don't do it. Don't do it. So, but yeah, and so I'm gonna go ahead on and I'm gonna stop right here, and I'm gonna kind of like slightly turn around so you guys can see how it looks all blown up. And this is the type of effect it has, and it is pulling up, it's lifting up my head from my shoulders. Not, I mean, you're not like off my neck, guys. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, and I feel it, and what you do is you could walk around, you know, do your normal things with this on, you know, and it's just basically giving you some relief. Let's just say if you have a herniated disc or you have a pinched nerve or something like that, guys, and you use this, but use it with caution. I mean, I think it would work because, I mean, I use it. I just recently used it because I have to lift on my mom a lot. I think I pulled something or something because I was like it was bad, y'all. So I thought about this thing and I said, well, let me use it again because I know it worked the last time. So I started using it and I started feeling some relief in my neck area, especially when you guys, you know, when y'all get tensed and we get all tensed up and whatever, you know, that can this helps me. It helps me. So I don't know what it's gonna do for you, but it helps me a lot. You know, it relieves the compression and allows the muscles to relax, you know. So these improvements may lead to improved mobility. You know, these are the benefits. These are the benefits that I have read upon. And cervical traction devices treat different types and causes of neck pain, tension, and tightness. Cervical traction helps to relax the muscles, which can significantly relieve pain and stiffness while increasing flexibility. It's also used to treat and flatten bulging and herniated disc. It can alleviate pain from joint sprains and spasms. It's also used to treat neck injuries, pinched nerves, and cervical spondylosis. So, again, guys, I want you to understand these are the benefits to this, but you have to use them correctly. You have to use this thing correctly because you can't damage yourself further if not. So I recommend y'all to talk to your doctors, your therapists, or whomever your chiropractor are, you know, and see if you can do this at home. But if you can and it works, honey, it'll beat having surgery. The force or tension is used to stretch or pull the head away from the neck, creating space between the vertebrae. Vertebrae relieves compression and allows the muscles to relax. This lengthens and stretches the muscles and joints around the neck. So these improvements may lead to improved mobility, range of motion, and alignment. This will allow you to go about your daily activities with greater ease. So these are the benefits, y'all. Now I'm going to quickly tell you guys the side effects. Generally, it's safe to perform surgical traction, but remember that results are different for everyone. The treatment should be totally pain-free. It's possible that you can experience side effects such as headache, dizziness, and nausea upon adjusting your body in this manner. This may even lead to fainting. Stop if you experience any of these side effects and discuss them with your doctor or physical therapist. It's possible for you to injure your tissue, neck, or spine. You should avoid cervical traction if you have rheumatoid arthritis, post-surgery hardware such as screws in the neck, a recent fracture or injury in the neck area, a known tumor in the neck area, bone infection, issue or blockages with vertebral or carotid arteries, osteoporosis, cervical instability, and spinal hypermobility. These are the things that you should not use this thing if you have. It's important that you follow any safety instructions and recommendations provided by your doctor or by the manufacturer. Make sure you're performing the movements correctly and using the appropriate amount of weight. Don't overexert yourself by doing cervical traction for too long. Discontinue use if you experience any pain or irritation or if your symptoms get worse. So you have the side effects now. Again, disclaimer, I am not telling you to go out and go run and get this because it's going to fix all your problems. I'm not. I'm just telling you that it benefits me. Now, what I want you guys to take away from this, cervical tractions may be safe. It may be safe, effectively way, you know, for us to resolve neck pain easy without actually having surgery or, doing different type of things that's, gonna take us out of work or whatnot. Now, if you have no choice, I mean, hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. But always talk to your doctor. Please always talk to your doctor or physical therapist before beginning any treatment. I have to let you guys know, touch base with them throughout the therapy to discuss any improvements as well as side effects. It can also help you set up a treatment plan that addresses exactly what you need to correct. So go get yourself diagnosis from your doctor so you can know if you can use this cervical traction device. Now I'm gonna go ahead on and let you guys see this because I didn't print it out, so I'm gonna let you see what it looks like on Temu. You can stop the video and you can go ahead on and type it in or whatever, but this is how it looks. And right now it's only $5.48. How you like that, y'all? $5.48 for something that helps relieve neck pain, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this thing here, it really works. It really works if you do it correctly and you do it for the amount of time that it says, within 20 to 30 minutes. And I mean, you can even try it out for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I mean, just do a test run to see. But I don't expect for you to apply. Please don't go and choke yourself out and kill yourself. Don't do that. Boss Lady not coming on here to tell you this. I'm just only coming on here to let you know that this little traction device has done well for me. And I gave you all the disclaimers. I talked to your doctor before you use it and all this other good stuff. But it can help. It can help. Totally up to you guys. I just wanted to bring you this update to let you guys know a little bit about this, because Temu does not tell you what it is, what it's for, the side effects, and the benefits. So I am presenting this neck stretcher item to you, and I'm giving you all of the information you need to make a very, very, very important decision on whether you want to try this out or not. I mean, it's only $5 and some cents, as you can see. So it's not like you're going to be wasting a whole bunch of money. You know, it's up to you. But if you like me and you stay on the phone ordering from Temu, baby, and you get Temu-nitis, you get drop neck. You get the drop neck, baby, you pump that up, and that neck going to stay like that, and you're going to be looking at your phone like this. You ain't going to have to move your neck. Your eyes just going to go down. Telling you. Get you a neck stretcher and try it out. Try it out at your own risk. Boss lady saying, try it out at your own risk. Don't come on this video saying, oh, boss lady told me go get me a neck stretcher. I'm gonna be walking like I'm 13, 18 years old, honey. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Go ahead on and try it out. But I can tell you what it done for me, and it done a lot for me. It works. I'm just telling you, it works. If you do it correctly for the allotted time, this little thing really works, y'all. So go try it out. Tell them boss lady sent you. Yeah. I'm gonna link it in the description, y'all, so you can go directly to it. My code you can use if you're a new user or whatever to Temu or whatever. I may slap a discount code on there regardless if you're a new user or not. But anyway, yeah, go ahead on and try your neck stretcher out, y'all. Honestly, it has benefited me a great deal because I use it correctly and I use it for the amount of time that it needs to be used for. I also did a test run, guys, so I suggest you do a test run. But before you do anything, boss lady love you guys. Go on and get you a doctor diagnosis, or go and check to see, or call your doctor to see if it's okay. Let him know what it is, and you know what it's for, and let him give you the green light to go ahead on and stretch your neck. Yeah. So that's what boss lady wanted to tell you guys. I'm glad you guys came in and watched it. I need you to share this video, because I'm telling y'all, this neck stretcher can benefit. It benefited me. So maybe not you, but I'm just telling you, it's $5 and some cents. It doesn't hurt to try, y'all, because if it does work for you, you're gonna say thank you, Jesus, praise God. I don't have to have surgery. I can get something that's gonna relieve my pain, and it's not harsh, and it'll take me out of work and all this other stuff. So try it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead on and get myself ready for my Temu haul that'll be coming up. So I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys to the moon and back. Ain't nothing you can do. Keep your head up, boss lady. Love you, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.